We're going to run your test today on a GSL 180 430. It's a 5 horsepower unit. The unit you're looking at is a GSL 180 300, which is the same size motor and everything on it, just a little bit smaller chamber here. So it shouldn't have much difference. Your samples are put in 2 bags. Your test grind 1, and then your test grind 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to run test grind 1, have it go into the bin, we'll put the material back into it, and then we'll run test grind number 2. To turn on this unit is really simple. It's just the on button and she's ready to go, and you can see the rotor moving down there. Ready, Paul? Drop them in. So we're just going to run these 2. No problems at all with those parts. And I don't know the volume you're looking at, but possibly for something like that, a 180 would actually be a better machine. It's smaller, a little less horsepower, because it's not needed for that type of part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn off this video, clean out the bin here, put that sample back in the bag, and then we'll start your second test. We've cleaned out the bin from test 1 and put it in a bag. We're running test 2 right now. I'm gonna turn the unit on. This unit's ready to go. Paul's gonna load it up. These pieces have a little more oomph to it, so the 5 horsepower is the right machine for these larger pieces that are going through. But it's processing real easy. You can see the material coming down the back. So again, these were no problem at all, and she's already done processing those pieces. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna turn this machine off, clear it out, put it in a bag, and I'm gonna show you the results from the 2 tests. Okay, I have your material. Here's the first test sample. You can see it in the bag. I'm going to put it on the table so you get a better view of it. Here they are. The reason you get a lot of these longs is because the size screen we're using. We use a 6mm screen. Normally, when you have parts like this, we put in a 4mm screen, and it'll get rid of a lot of longs you have within the part, because you got a variety of them here. So this part actually is most likely what you use is a GSL 180 on with a 4mm screen, and that way you won't get the longs in it. But if you can process it with the longs, that's fine as well. Your other part, this is from test 2. There's a lot more material to work with here. This came out great. You can see the material. There's no heat to it. You have nice particle size as you go through. And again, this is a 6mm screen. These are a little bit, a little more dense and harder material, but they process without any problems going through the machine as well. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bag up these, and then we will send them on to you so you can actually see the results face to face. Thanks.